Learn how to create lesson plans and add homework for learners using the Lesson Plan module. First, click on the Lesson Plan section to manage a lesson plan. Then, click the Add Plan button to create a new lesson plan for your course. After that, enter a title for your lesson plan in the title field. Now click the Level drop-down to select the appropriate difficulty level. Afterwards, enter a detailed description of your lesson plan in the Details field. Teachers can also add meeting links or Google Form links if needed. Next up, click the Choose Files button to attach relevant documents to your lesson plan. Next, click the Submit button to save and create your new lesson plan. Now click the Edit button to add homework file. Following that, click the Plan Files field to upload supporting documents for the lesson. Click the Submit button to save your homework along with the lesson plan. Afterwards, click on Lessons to view and attach new lesson plan. Next up, click Attach Lesson Plan to add a lesson plan. After that, click the Assign Lesson Plan button to attach the lesson to students. The lesson plan has now been attached successfully. Click on Genetics and Evolution to view the attached lesson resource details. This is the lesson plan attached by the teacher. Close the lesson plan modal to return to the main Lessons Management page. Next up, click on Genetics and Evolution to view the lesson attachment details. We can also check the homework submitted by learners from here. That's it. Teachers can now create lesson plans, add homework, and review learner submissions easily.